your armor. Because you are sovereign, imagine you're wearing armor, full body armor. Take a look at your armor, the front, the back, the top, the bottom, the sides, your feet. And now remove your armor and hand it over to your angels and your guides of the highest frequencies of love and healing. Now you will be creating for yourself new armor. You want your new armor to be made from a material that's stronger but lighter in weight and shinier and brighter in color. Imagine that your new armor covers all parts of your body, your head, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your waist, your back, your hips, your legs, your feet. You can make your armor full and flowing with golden healing light. This will assist in transmuting any dense energies that come your way.